In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Meta AI from your smartphone. If you no longer need this app, then to uninstall it is pretty simple. First, just go to your phone, swipe it to see your apps and scroll down to your apps to Meta AI. Once you have found it, just long press on it like this, and now you should see you have this option here to uninstall the app. However, if you don't have this uninstall option, then you should see app info here or a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access the app info page. From this, you can see we have an option to uninstall it from here as well. So tap on it and this will remove the app together with its files. So for my case, let me use the first method. I'll just long press on it and tap on uninstall and then confirm that I want to uninstall. I'm told uninstalling will remove all app data. So I want to confirm and tap on uninstall. So you have noted that in as much as the app data has been removed, everything that was on your account will be intact. So if you log into another Meta account later, you should be able to find your information. None of it will be lost. So that's how you can uninstall Meta AI app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.